वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम क्लास 9 पॉलिटिकल साइंस के चैप्टर 2 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। तो चलिए बिना देरी के वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑप्शन एंड कंप्लीट द स्टेटमेंट। फर्स्ट है, दिस वाज द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव बिहाइंड एस्टेब्लिशिंग द इंडियन एटॉमिक एनर्जी कमीशन। इसका राइट आंसर है प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एटॉमिक एनर्जी। Next, the following is now the objective of all the nation of the world. इसका right answer है economic development. Next, the dash is an important aspect of India's foreign policy. इसका right answer है non-alignment. Next, India conducted nuclear test in 1974 at इसका right answer है पोखरण. Second question, state whether the following statement are true or false. Give reason for your answer. Pandit Nehru contributed towards improving Sino-Indian relation. This is a true statement. Reason लिखेंगे. Pandit Nehru had given priority to maintain good relation with the neighboring countries in general and China in particular. India was among the first countries to recognize People's Republic of China that was formed after the Communist Revolution in 1940. Pandit Nehru had advocated membership of the UN for China. He had visited China in 1954 and signed the Panchashil Accord. Next question. Atal Bihari Vajpayee took lead in improving relation with Pakistan. This is a true statement. Reason लिखेंगे. Atal Bihari Vajpayee had established cordial relation at the personal level with General Pervez Musharraf, the then Pakistan's president. He had visited Pakistan in 1990 and signed Lahore Accord. Samjhota Express train service and Sadae Sharhad bus service were started between India and Pakistan during his reign. Third question, explain the following concept. First है India's foreign policy. Answer है Art 51 among the directive principles of state policy laid down the broad framework for foreign policy. According to it, India should give priority to safeguard international peace and security and resolve our international problems and disputes by peaceful means. The objective of our foreign policy should be to maintain friendly relations with other nations and respect international law. Next, national interest. इसका आंसर है national interest implies the means through which the independence and sovereignty of our country can be safeguarded. Next point, national interest also include efforts to achieve our economic development and to take steps towards increasing our national power. In this sense, the following factors are included in the national interest of any country. First head, defense, that is the protection of our country's independence, sovereignty and integrity is the highest national interest. Next है economic development is also an important national interest. Next question, world peace. इसका आंसर है world peace means world without war, destruction or aggression. UN is the organization with the responsibility of protecting world peace. India is also supporting the policy of world peace. Next question, what is your opinion about the fact that the world peace is threatened due to nuclear preparedness? इसका आंसर है many countries of the world doing nuclear tests to prove their nuclear preparedness to the world. It leads to arms race and can increase the possibilities of war, hence threaten the world peace. Fifth question, answer the following question in brief. First है on what principle is India's foreign policy based? Answer है India got independence in 1947 and from then onwards we started shaping our foreign policy independently. The directive principles of state policy have laid down guidelines about how to shape foreign policy. Art 51 among the directive principles of state policy lay down the broad framework for foreign policy. According to it, India should give priority to safeguard international peace and security. and resolve international problems and disputes by peaceful means. The objective of our foreign policy should be to maintain friendly relations with other nations and respect international law. India's foreign policy till now has been developed in this framework. Next question. Who has contributed to improving Sino-Indian relation? इसका आंसर है the president, the prime minister, the foreign minister, the defense minister, the finance minister and the home minister have a role in deciding foreign policy. Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee contributed a great deal to improving Sino-Indian relation. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन राइट द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ इंडियाज फॉरेन पॉलिसी आंसर है ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ इंडियाज फॉरेन पॉलिसी आर एज फॉलो while maintaining friendly relations with neighboring countries ensure that the defense and security of India is not affected, not to compromise about the geographical boundaries of the nation, protect the unity and integrity of the nation, protect the interest of India's citizens living in other countries. This responsibility is fulfilled by the Indian embassies there. Last point, to establish economic and commercial relation with other countries for achieving economic development of India. Last question, prepare the following concept map. Factor affecting foreign policy. फर्स्ट है पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम, सेकंड है नेशनल लीडरशिप, थर्ड है इकोनॉमी, फोर्थ है एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव फैक्टर्स, लास्ट है जोग्राफिकल लोकेशन। स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ हमारे चैप्टर 2 के क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हो गए हैं। अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।